From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Happy Thursday. I'm Tyler Hughes with your Campus Weather Service forecast for this morning. And let's start with a live look across the state of Pennsylvania this morning. You can see clouds around in most locations, maybe a few peaks of blue sky on our camera in Wilkes-Barre this morning, but other than that, it's a cloudy start. It's a cloudy start here on our live camera over the Hub Robeson Center as well. Maybe still a few peaks of color from the sunrise this morning, but a chilly start nonetheless. A temperature of 46 degrees as you head out the door this morning. Temperatures in the eastern part of Pennsylvania are in the 40s, but you can see quickly bounded up into the 50s and 60s in this western portion of the state here, and you can actually make out this kind of boundary here between the green and the blue. That's a warm front that will be sweeping across the state earlier this morning, and then as we head into the mid-afternoon hours, there's another cold front that will sweep through behind it and drop our temperatures once again. So you can see some of the showers associated with the warm front here making their way right over the Laurel Highlands at this hour, moving out of the Pittsburgh metro. When you zoom in, you can see there are some scattered showers in the State College area. Now, it's not a guarantee that necessarily all of what's being picked up on the radar here is reaching the ground, but there are enough showers this morning to make it a nuisance. Maybe you want to bring a jacket or an umbrella with you as you head out to your first classes this morning. So you can see we'll have a line of showers work their way through as we head into mid-morning hours. Again, won't be widespread in the Center County region, more widespread to our south and west. But generally, those showers will begin to clear out as we reach the mid-morning hours. We'll also begin to warm up, and the clouds will begin to clear as we head into later this afternoon. So the high temperatures for today will actually reach at or around lunchtime. You'll see here 60 degrees by 2 p.m. before things quickly drop off to a temperature of 48 by 5 p.m. So with those showers, that's the warm front that's going to come through, warm our temperatures up a bit, and then that cold front comes through right after and knocks our temperatures right back down into the 40s by this afternoon. So moral of the story is when you're heading out, it may seem just a little bit warmer, and you may want to bring a jacket just in case if you're going to be out for a while. Our next chance of maybe a scattered shower or two comes into play tomorrow afternoon. However, I think the best shot of seeing some showers with this system is going to be in the southeast region through the capital city and Philly as well. So that's your better bet of seeing some showers through there. The good news is, though, things dry out for the weekend, and the weekend looking entirely dry across much of Pennsylvania. Aside from a few clouds, not a bad forecast, all things considered. It's actually a good thing that there will be some showers heading out through Harrisburg, York and Lancaster counties, and through into the Philly metro, because they really need it. You can see just put into the abnormally dry category not too long ago. As a matter of fact, they're in some places 7 to 9 inches below where they should be in terms of precipitation for this time of year. So even though it'll really only be light showers there, they need all the rain they can get as well. So for today here in State College, a high of 61, but as I said, we'll reach that high around lunchtime before temperatures quickly drop off. Morning showers, and I think we will see some peaks of sun this afternoon with some gusty winds possible as well. This evening, a low of 40. The clouds will be on the increase, but I think tomorrow our chance of seeing a shower is relatively slim, mostly cloudy, although we can't rule it out. A high of 51 degrees as well. All right, big game this weekend. Penn State playing Michigan at Beaver Stadium, the stripe out. You can see the forecast looks dry, and that's the good news. Maybe a little bit chilly and blustery at times with highs climbing into the 40s, but overall, not a bad forecast to beat Michigan. And Michigan didn't steal our 7-day forecast. When you take a look at it here, notice lows dip into the 40s this weekend and stay that way through the beginning of next week. Our only chance of seeing some showers in the 7-day forecast is this morning and possibly tomorrow in the morning as well. Other than that, we are looking dry for the next week. For Campus Weather Service, I'm Tyler Hughes.